guess what? Your search for the ultimate beetroot salad ends here. Let's dive in. First up, grab 4 medium-sized beetroots. Peel them, chop them, and roast them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Roasted beets are sweet, trust me. Now let's talk greens. Grab 2 cups of arugula. It's got that perfect peppery kick. Add half a cup of crumbled feta cheese. That creamy goodness. Oh yeah! Next, toss in a 1/4 cup of walnuts. Crunchy and nutty. A match made in salad heaven. For the dressing, mix 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Shake it up. Combine everything in a bowl, drizzle that awesome dressing on top, and give it a good mix. And voila! You've got yourself a vibrant, tasty beetroot salad. Quick recap: roasted beets, arugula, feta, walnuts, and a killer dressing. Easy, right? Enjoy your masterpiece. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes.